Hey folks, the Kobo Libra Colour and the Kobo Clara Colour, Rakuten Kobo's first ever color e-readers, have made their appearance. With their speedier 2 GHz processors, vibrant E Ink Kaleido 3 displays, and IPX8 water protection, these e-readers are a fantastic option for reading the newest bestsellers and book talk selections by the pool. There are a few distinctions to be aware of, though. To find out more about how these colorful Kobo e-readers stack up, continue watching. The dimension is the most noticeable distinction between their individual screens. While the Kobo Clara Colour has a smaller 6-inch E Ink Kaleido 3 display with a resolution of 1448 by 1072, the Kobo Libra Colour boasts a larger 7-inch E Ink Kaleido 3 display with a resolution of 1264 by 1680. In spite of these variations, both e-readers provide crisp black and white output of 300 ppi and vibrant color output of 150 ppi for book covers and graphics. Additionally, Comfort Light Pro, which lowers blue light during the day, and a dark mode, which enhances reading comfort in low light, are supported by both e-readers. The Kobo Libra Colour is the model for you if you enjoy taking notes in a digital notebook, annotating text for class, or writing in the margins of your favorite books. The Kobo Stylus 2 is compatible with the e-reader, which makes it feel more natural to highlight texts and organize your schedule. Since the Kobo Stylus 2 is sold separately, you should budget an extra £69 to cover the pen's cost. Your final amount will be £269 as a result, which is nearly twice as much as the £139 Kobo Clara Colour. The Kobo Clara Colour has the greatest battery life of the two e-readers, lasting up to 42 days on a single charge, but having a smaller 1500 mAh battery. This is predicated on reading for 30 minutes a day, with the front light turned to 30% brightness, and no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. With the same settings, the Kobo Libra Colour's substantially bigger 2050 mAh battery can last up to 40 days. Because the Kobo Libra Colour has more storage, you may download more books and store all of your notes on the electronic reader. There are over 24,000 books worth of storage available on the 32 GB of the Libra Colour. With half of that space 16 gigs, the Kobo Clara Colour lets you store about 12,000 books. 12,000 books is still a sizable library of books to carry around on one device, regardless of their variances. In the meanwhile, Dropbox and Google Drive enable easy access to notes taken on the Libra Colour on other devices and backup of those notes to the Kobo Cloud. There is no built-in cloud storage available with the Clara Colour. What do you think about this comparison? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.